In today's video, it's quick and easy tilapia goat meat okra stew. Super easy, guys. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. Stay tuned and let's get started. For starters, we'll blend some onion, garlic, ginger, and some dry rosemary. Then pour it over my washed and cleaned goat meat. We'll then season it with some chili powder, some salt to taste, some all-purpose seasonings. Then goes in my water. Then I'm going to go ahead to mix all together. I'd like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my new and returning subscribers. Thank you all so much for the love and support. God bless you all. So I'm gonna cover and allow it to cook until it is nice and soft for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to wash my okra, cut the head and tail, then transfer it into my food processor to do the cutting for me. So friends, after 20 minutes, let's check our goat meat. Look how beautiful this looks. We'll then go ahead to cover and allow it simmer for additional 5 minutes, okay? We'll also transfer my okra into my pan, then add in some sliced onions, add some water, and cook it for a few minutes because we don't want to overcook it. So I'm gonna go ahead to add in half teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a stir and leave it to cook, okay guys? Meanwhile, our goat meat is ready. We'll set it aside for later use. Next, we'll pour in some palm oil into my pan and allow it to heat up. Then add in my sliced onions. We'll let it fry until they're nice and translucent. I'm also gonna blend some fresh tomatoes, onion, and some pepper without water. Then add it to my onions and stir it. We'll leave it to fry for about 4 minutes. Next, we'll go ahead to pour in my goat meat with the stock. Now I'm going to go ahead to add in my fresh tilapia. So I've already seasoned this tilapia with some of the onion garlic mix I did earlier, some paprika, chili powder, and some adobo season. Then went ahead to marinate it for 30 minutes. And then I'm adding in some smoked prawns, okay? You can omit that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead to stir it very gently, okay guys? Because of the tilapia we have in there. We'll go ahead to cover it and allow it simmer. So guys, after 10 minutes, we'll stir it beautifully and make sure my tilapia is safe. Okay guys. Then goes in my okra. Guys, if I tell you this okra stew is so simple to make, and trust me, you will love it too. I'm gonna go ahead to stir it gently, cover and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Then our okra stew will be ready. So guys, if you've watched up to this point and you've not yet subscribed, consider to subscribe today and join the family. And there you have it guys, our okra stew is ready. It was super quick and looks amazing, and my family and I, we really enjoyed it. Guys, you really need to try this recipe. I'm telling you, you will love it. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.